Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I have 3 lobster everyone, so I will take it to fry with some ingredient and also some vegetables. So if you guys think my video are necessary and if you guys think my channel are necessary, so please help me to support me by subscribe my channel. So now let's go to cook with me. First we add oil, then garlic, sugar, fish sauce, oyster sauce, tomato, add some satay to be more delicious. So now it's the time to add our lobster. Đẹp ít. So now our lobster is already cooked, so we take it out and eat it with rice. It looks like so yummy. So now it is time to eat. So I eat this lobster with rice. Wow, so good. It's just in water, but so good. The best taste. the best there. So now I'm enough of my eating, and everybody please help me to subscribe my channel YouTube to see the amazing and the yummy food like this, to show you more for the next and for other video, especially the beautiful landscape like this, everyone. Ooh, the landscape, it's very blue and it is very fresh and fresh air. So everyone, don't forget, help me to subscribe my channel to see the beautiful like this, to show you more. So now let me say goodbye everyone. Goodbye, thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.